I'm Paul Anspach.
And I'm Jack Hobday.
Anspach Hobday is an independent craft brewery. We've got 2 production sites, tap rooms and a bar. We're strong believers in brewing traditional styles for the modern day drinker.
We were founded in Bermondsey in 2014. We ran a successful crowdfunding in 2018, and we've done what we said we would do. We set up our new site in Croydon. We brought our beers into cans. We added a new quality control person and a lab, and we expanded and renovated our Bermondsey tap room.
So despite the COVID-19 pandemic, we actually managed to grow our revenues 31% year on year. This was achieved by a growing demand for our cans, the introduction of our own web shop, and the development and release of some new and exciting beers.
We've identified a lack of good quality, independent, sessionable dark beers, a challenge to the macro brands we see everywhere.
London was once the brewing capital of the world, famed for its porters and stouts. Playing to our strengths as a brewery well known for its darker beers, specifically porters, we've developed what we believe is the answer.
Let us introduce London Black, our Nitro-Porter. We're incredibly excited about this beer. Launched in spring, it's already pouring at 24 pubs and has just been taken on nationally by distributor James Clay & Sons.
Bringing together the finest roasted malts, London water, and served on nitro, the beer pours jet black with a tight, creamy, smooth head. While some beers taste better in Dublin, London Black tastes better everywhere.
The opportunity is massive, but our current production volumes are only finite. With this investment round, we're looking to make sure that our capacity can go beyond our current production.
We're going to double our batch size, add extra fermentation capacity, and take on some more warehousing space. We're also going to create jobs. This is an investment in the entire company, in our brewery and beers, in our tap room and our retail.
We all know that the craft beer scene has been growing rapidly in the UK, but in recent years the stout segment of the market has been growing even faster. And we recognise that we need to move quickly if we're going to capitalise on that and realise our ambitions.
London Black represents a fantastic opportunity, both for us as a business as a means to grow, but for consumers as a choice. We're backing London Black. Back us, invest today.